Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a contact form using Fluent Forms. So now you can see this one is official website where you can easily get this plugin, and you can use both free version as well as pro version. So let me go here in plugins and install a new plugin file. Simply you need to go here and click on add plugin, then upload the plugin file. Make sure that you have the plugin file in zip format. So I have this one here. Now let me select it from my laptop, this one, then click on install button. Now plugin is installed. Simply click on activate button to activate the plugin. And after installing pro version, you need to install a free version of this plugin. So now you can go in WordPress plugin directory to install this free plugin. Alright, now let me scroll down, and here you can see I have activated Fluent Forms as well as pro version. Then on the left side in WordPress dashboard, here you can see this one. You can go in forms, and now you can easily add a new form. You will get pre-built contact forms here, so you can easily edit these forms. For example, if you want to remove any field, then you can use this option, and if you want to duplicate, then select this option. For example, I want to delete it. Okay, and now if you want to duplicate this field, then here you can see field is duplicated. Then you can also change label text. So let me change it only message. Then you can change the label placement, and this one is placeholder. You can also change. Then you can also select the rows. So I have reduced one row. Here you can see this one is the result. And after that, if you want to change submit form button text, then you can go here. For example, let me remove this one form. Here you can see it is changing accordingly. After that, you can change the button alignment, and also you can check the button size: small, medium, large. After that, you can also preview and check the design. Then click on save form. So after that, you can copy this shortcode. Now you can go back in pages. For example, let me add here title contact form by Fluent Form. Then scroll down and add here shortcode. Then let me select Elementor template. Then click on publish button. So now let's fill out this form. Let me go here and open the page where we have contact form. So now let me add here. So whatever name you want to add, you can easily do. This is just for practice. Then click on submit button. Okay, we got message is sent. So now let's go back, and after that again click on entries. Scroll down. Here you can check these are the two entries. So one is made few seconds ago. Then you can simply click on view button. and now here you can see form is filled and we got entries here. So in this way you can easily create a form